Statistics can be fairly intimidating, but fortunately for us, we have a powerful tool to crunch the numbers. And we only need to learn how to use it and how to interpret the results. So let's open an Excel and learn how to use Excel to help us with the data analysis.
What else have been heard? Big data is how we live by big data. I love statistics, big data, analytics, whatever it is. But here's the thing. When it comes to big data, there's a lot of bad data out there. Because statistics can be manipulated. To show you how you can manipulate statistics, these are actual true statistics. Watch what I do with them. These are actually true. It turns out in China, there's about 1.4 billion people in China, right? 1.4. There are 7 billion people on Earth. Therefore, statistically, it cannot be argued 1 out of every 5 babies born on Earth are in fact Chinese. So you could say, statistically, if you got 4 kids, you're expecting a 5th, it will be Chinese. So don't be surprised. That's all I'm saying. Don't be surprised. I don't have a problem with it. Usually your 5th kid's going to be Chinese. Just deal with it. So when you hear a statistic, always ask about the other side of a statistic. Ask, look at it from a different perspective. 44% of marriages end in divorce. 44%. Now, that's a scary number. That's scary. When you first get married, you're like, oh my God. But here's the thing. It's not so scary when you look at it from a different perspective. If 44% of marriages end in divorce, you know what that means? 56% of marriages end in death. Those are the 2 ways that marriages end, folks. Apparently, this is just occurring to some of the married people out there. Just enjoy being married because it's not pretty when it ends. Trust me.
Click File, then Options, and select Add-ins. In Manage Excel Add-ins, click Go. Select Analysis Tool Pack and click OK. In the Data tab, you will see Data Analysis now. Click on it and select Descriptive Statistics. Choose Input Numbers by selecting the column of numbers. Make sure Summary Statistics is selected. Choose Output Range. Click OK, and you will see the summary of Descriptive Statistics. To make histogram, select Data Analysis and Histogram. Select Data Input Range, and then select Cell for the output range. To display chart, make sure the chart output is checked. To make a Pareto diagram, select Data Analysis, Histogram. Select Data Input Range. Bin range you can leave empty or supply one. Select the cell for the output range. Then check Pareto sorted histogram, cumulative percentage, and chart output. Another way to generate Pareto histogram is select the data, click Insert, choose Histogram and select Pareto histogram. Box plot in Excel. To create box plot, select the data. Choose Insert and then Histogram and select Box plot. Scatter plot. Select data, click on Insert and select Scatter plot. Right-click on the data and then choose the trend line. Select Linear and check Display Equation on chart. Go to Settings and increase width of the line and choose more visible color, for example, red. Excel is a great tool to analyze the data and has many more useful features. Feel free to explore Excel on your own.